Good morning, guys. We survived another night. I think I'm going to try to make it all the way to California. I mean, all the way to Santa Cruz today, because this cold is really getting to me. Oh my gosh. I need a van if I'm going to do this, guys. This car is so tiny. I haven't been able to find anything I need when I need it. And with the 2 dogs and the mouse, it is so cramped in here. I've been sleeping with, I'll show you, hold on. Chase is down in there right now, but I've been sleeping with my body in the trunk. Like this, all the way down to my hips, and then where'd the pillow go? Here it is. And then I've had a pillow wedged right here between the 2 front seats, and it's very bumpy. There's all these contours and ridges and things, mounds on the back of the seat. Hey, Chase. He literally just crawled back in there. But, wow. Okay, that's a little too much lighting on my face. I think I'm gonna head into the store. This is falling down. At least the condensation isn't ice this morning like it was yesterday morning. It's actually water. And yes, don't mind this. My lining is falling. It's been like that for a while. But guys, oh my goodness, I'm a hot mess. I'm gonna sign out and be back once I hit the road. All right, I feel somewhat human again. Walked the dogs. And I apologize for the lighting because where I'm parked, the sun is directly in my eyes. So, but I'm getting ready to drive. I actually caved and bought I think it was a caramel macchiato cappuccino. And I'm gonna flip the camera because this is way too bright. Okay, I can't even see because look at that. The sun is directly in my eyes. Okay, Dino, yes, he's in my lap again. He just, he has to be in Mommy's lap constantly, don't you? He's such a good boy. Yes, you too, Chase. Oh, yes, you too, Chase. Oh, yes, you too. I'm not ignoring you. Oh, and Dino, yes, both of you. You guys ready to go again? I can't see. That's why my eyes are closed. The sun is right there. So, anyway, guys, I'm flipping the camera again. Yes, like I said, ready to go with caramel macchiato cappuccino, and the sun will be behind us once we get on the highway. But anyway, hang on, this condensation is all on the inside, so I'm gonna have to try to get that wiped off before I leave, but I'll be back, guys. Like that, we're in California. I didn't even see the sign coming, and it was just a tiny little, like, blue sign on the side of the road, like a road sign that said, "Welcome to California." No big elaborate anything. But, so we're already to California. I guess there's no sign. If I see a sign anywhere up ahead, I'll try to get a photo of it, but it doesn't look like there will be. There's a little look at California that you guys may not have seen. It's not all sandy beaches. So this is the California that you come into, like right after you cross over from Arizona into California. And then we'll have mountains up ahead and fields and all kinds of stuff. So I'll share a little bit on the way. We've got about 8 hours to go. These are actually those Joshua trees. I don't know if I'm getting a glare on the window, but just thought I would show you guys some of these trees really quick. Because I think we're somewhere near the Joshua tree. So if anybody knows, let me know down in the comments. Chase is choking himself because he keeps trying to lean over the net that's between the two front seats. And he really leans into it until he chokes himself. And I keep telling him not to do that. Right? Okay, Chase, what are you doing? What are you doing, buddy? He's fine. He's just leaning on this net. Look at that. Otherwise, he'd be in my lap. You need to get back so you don't choke yourself, silly. He never listens. Anyway. And up ahead, those windmills. There's like, I don't even know if that's... Okay, Chase. Oh my goodness. I don't know if it's showing up on camera. Those wind turbines are literally covering the mountains ahead of us. So, I mean, almost from as far as you can see to the left and to the right and all the way up the mountain. They're just everywhere. So when we get a little bit closer, I will show you guys if I can get you a better view. So it looks like we may actually be curving away from those wind turbines. Looks like the road curves to the right up here. But yeah, they're way over there in the distance, all over that mountain. And there are tons of airplanes out there too. I don't know what that is. I don't know which airfield or airbase that is, but I think we're getting close to, jeez, wow. He doesn't listen. I think we're getting close to Bakersfield. So I'll be back if there's anything else interesting to show you. Oh guys, I lied. The highway did curve that way, but then it came back this way again. And as you can see, we can see those wind turbines up ahead. So there's some more of those trees over there. It looks like Joshua trees, like I mentioned before. And more wind turbines everywhere. I think I showed you guys some of these on the way here. I mean, on the way out to Oklahoma. But anyway, I don't know. I like filming them. They're ginormous. But the sad thing is, I think they kill a lot of birds. I've heard about that. Birds fly into them, and that's just too sad. I'm gonna have to make it over to Joshua Tree at some point. Just want to get a close-up of some of those trees. I should have pulled over back there. It looked like a rest area, but too late now. There's some kind of big plant over there. I don't know what that is, but I thought it was interesting, so gave you a little look. More of the wind turbines. Like I said, they are everywhere out here. Wow. Side of the road too. The other side of the road also has a bunch of semis. And look at all these trucks. Wow. So many. I wasn't even counting, were you? How many is this? Look at the other side. Non-stop semis. And I've seen this more than once today. Just like a whole solid line of trucks. It's like pretty crazy. Alright, I think we're just about past all of them. And guess what? We're only about an hour and a half away from home. Ooh, guys, check out this old car. Check out this old car, guys. I just wanted to thank you for joining me on this last leg of my road trip. My GoPro battery died just as I was getting home, so I couldn't finish the video in person, but this is a voiceover to tell you thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you again next time.